Hello, it's Simone from Astrakan project. You remember in last story vlog I mentioned that we had a project for collaborative video almost ready to come out, and the time is now. The song for this project will remain secret because we want to keep it as a surprise even to people like sending proposals, but just know that it's a song about sort of a protest, uplifting song. It's a song about what is worth fighting for and about standing together for something that we believe in. So for the video we are looking for short sequences from demonstrations or from graffitis on the walls or from boards with inspiring statements. That could be also pictures that you took. That's also totally fine with us. You also can, because I know many of you can't go out, so if you don't have anything that you would like to share from your archives, although I'm sure if you search through your phone history you may have plenty of things we could use. So if you want, you can also create your own board or something like that, using a sentence that you would like to share. Regarding the themes, what do we stand for? So if you are following Astrakan project for a while now, you know that we obviously stand for equality, between humans, races, genders. We stand for freedom of speech, freedom of movement, like human rights, environment rights, animal rights, and we prefer to do it in a positive way as far as possible. We believe that like proposals and happiness and joy can be like much more powerful than hate speeches. And then the deadline today is Tuesday. I'm filming indoors because it's snowing outside, and although it's beautiful, it's also windy, so I'm filming inside. I will edit this short video tonight. Hopefully it will be online by tomorrow, Wednesday, and then you have 10 days until Saturday the 20th of February. And you can send us your proposals via email to astrakanproject@gmail.com. I will put the email down below on the info section. Or you can use WeTransfer. I will have a link for you on how to use it on your phone, even if that's more convenient for you. Last, if it's the first time that you are doing a collaboration with us, please, welcome, feel free to do it. If you missed your chance with Already Graffities, this is a much easier way to do it. You can, of course, share with your friends that might be interested in the project. And if you have any further questions or comments, you can reach out via email, obviously, but the best way would be like via comments, because this way other folks can benefit from it, and we can like give one answer that will benefit more people at the same time. So we hope you are getting excited about this short project, and we wish you a wonderful evening. Bye, take care. Genau.